Big tech companies are replacing old programming languages like C++ with something new, and it's called Rust. What makes Rust so special, and why is everyone talking about it? Before Rust, most high-performance software was built with C or C++. These languages are fast, but dangerous if misused. They make you undo memory yourself, which can lead to serious bugs like when you write outside the memory you are supposed to use, buffer overflows, using memory that doesn't exist, null pointer dereferencing, and using memory after you have released it, use after. These bugs have caused browser exploits and massive security breaches. Rust solved this with its own ownership system and borrow checker. Every piece of data has a single owner, and the compiler ensures you can't access freed memory or modify data unsafely. And the best part, it catches problem before your program even runs it. Rust runs as fast as C++, but without the memory pitfalls. No garbage collector, no performance penalty. Makes developer happy. The Rust compiler is famously helpful. Instead of vague errors, it tells you exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. Rust prevents data race at compile time, so your multi-threaded programs run smoothly without mysterious crashes. A final reason for me is that big tech is backing it. Microsoft is rewriting Windows components in Rust, Google is using it in Android, Amazon uses it for high performance cloud service. Even the Linux kernel now allows Rust code. Rust isn't perfect though. It has its own downsides. It has a steep learning curve, especially for beginners. Compile times can be longer than in languages like Go, and while its library ecosystem is growing fast, it's still smaller compared to Python's JavaScript. Also, it's not always the best tool for quick scripts. Sometimes Python still wins for speed of development. And I've seen the problem Rust solves and why people are switching. These are already real tools that are being powered by Rust, game engines for high performance without crashes, operating system like Redux, written entirely in Rust. Also can be used to power your command line tools like grep and exa, WebAssembly apps, which bring raw speed to the browser, and also cloud infrastructure. AWS Firecrackers use Rust to run secure, lightweight virtual machines. Rust is fast, safe, and very powerful, and this is why it's becoming the language of choice for the next generation of software. But can it really replace C++ entirely? I guess we'll find out. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos like this.